Don't start till I get on. You fucking warm up. See that shit? You see that fucking air? Now I just need a curve. Stall.
This is your professional skate video. We're going to send it in for your demos.
What did you say?
We'll send this video in for your demos. Don't hit my fucking ankle. That's the worst.
Shit's exhausting.
You're just old.
Because I'm a smoker. I hate you.
So what did you say? At least I'm not going to fall like Taylor.
I think mine was more graceful. Look.